Hey, I'm going to demonstrate my homemade crossbow again, except this time I'm outside and I'm going to be popping those balloons on that board. Number 1. That one. Let's begin. See how many shots it takes. I'm 1 for 3. Oh. Hit the balloon. Then pop. So that's it. Try it again. Alright. See this? We go about point blank right now. See how well it pops it. Top. That was the pink balloon. I have 3 purple on the outside. 1 pink in the middle. I popped the bottom purple, middle pink. Oh, now I just gotta reload. Pop this. I'll save it for next time. See ya.